I'm waiting for my husband, and no doubt any moment now he's going to be waiting for me on the other side of the door. But I thought you might like to see my brand new door wreath. The question is, how do you convert this fabulous table centrepiece into a door wreath? It's pretty easy. All you need is a really long piece of strong ribbon. Before we get started, there's a couple of things you need to bear in mind. I've made this table centrepiece on a flower foam wreath base. It was made a couple of days ago, so I know the foam has got plenty of water in it to keep my flowers alive, but it's not dripping wet. The other thing to think about is how heavy your wreath is. Mine is packed full of fresh fruits and lots of flowers and greenery, so it is really heavy. And when you hang it on your front door, gravity will take hold, and you may find that some of your materials at the bottom begin to shake loose. And the next thing you need to think about is which way is the top of your wreath. Does it look like it's got a bottom and a top? Perhaps choose the top as somewhere where you haven't got quite so many flowers. The next thing to do is choose a strong ribbon. This is a satin ribbon, which is about 2 to 3 centimetres wide. I've folded my ribbon in half for extra strength, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. That way I create a loop at one end, and then holding the loop at the halfway point of the ribbon, I'm going to slide that underneath my wreath. Wiggle it down and round through the flowers so I don't knock anything out of place. And then the loop at the bottom, I'm going to thread my other length of ribbon through the ends and pull tight to secure. And then going to tie a knot just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. And then with my loose ribbons at the top, tie another knot. And then I'll hang my door wreath up from there. And it's as easy as that. I've had my wreath up on my front door now for about a week and nothing has fallen out. The only thing that's changed really is some of the freesia have started to go over. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Give me a like and a comment, and I'll see you next time.